Folks, a little still picture share of some of the things I've been a part of, which are a blast. Monumental. It's actually a twin set of engines that they fit in offshore racing boats. Now there's 2, 3, 4 engines at a time. But some of you know what school I'm talking about because you're not going to see this in an offshore racer anymore. But I did all the electrical and the wiring in the shops back in the day. And I guess some of you would know what they having a black pair of scissors or cutting the ribbon. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Oh shit, I can't believe I forgot a piece. Never mind. Don't look at that. But that's place we stayed a long time ago. And a lot of these motors and all this good stuff happened. But what in the oh, I'm glad it's blurry. Whoa, you can even see in the background a boat. What a character. But yeah, that actually had a 4-speed in it, and a Scirocco, and it was actually a really quick car, like you wouldn't believe. And 4-cylinder, that is. But the funnest thing, folks, is actually skydiving. And shout out Rob and Tom, not around anymore. R.I.P. boys. But if you wanted to skydive at night, that's that was my boys. Or fly anywhere. But and folks, actually the funnest thing to do is oh, I can't believe we're still tread on that tire right there. But yeah, the good old days when cars were, when you were nobody messed with your shit. I don't know. But that character, this is actually a better shot. Because if you go skydiving in a thunderstorm, some people won't let you do that. They won't go up. But hey, weather happens, and you can jump through the clouds because the sun's actually still shining above the clouds, folks. And it's actually it's priceless moments, many of. But oh, slow down a second. What in the world am I even? I got no idea what I was trying to explain. Now it's all about a bunch of quantum physics and shit. A bunch of bullshit is actually what it is. But folks, yeah, the funnest thing is actually diving at night, and my favorite shirts are the ones I pack, and black and gray shirts, because you can actually sizzle right through the clouds, and they take cool pictures. Focus. Oh, ain't no iPhone, is it? Cheers, folks. What a mess. What a character. But some of you will pay attention to that wiring and what that says. Some of you get it. You're probably going to have to be 65 and maybe in your 80s too. And yep, it's I did right there, folks. Oh, if you don't notice, these here in the middle USA, people fish to eat. People fish to eat. And yep, that's me right there. What in the heck? Why do I have a I don't know, but the buckets actually got drum in it, folks, and it was really tasty. Let's see what they were doing that day. I don't know, but it was a busy day too. Folks, big waters here, big fish. I've never caught a big fish, but I've seen a lot of people here catch big fish, folks, and they are here. But cheers, folks. And thanks for all my new subs and the people that have liked the videos and the being able to find something and share it. It means a lot. And whatever you're doing, God bless. Have a great day. Tomorrow's a new day.